Remember guys, I am giving away an Xbox Series X to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do is subscribe and turn your bell notifications on. With that being said, let's get it. Yo guys, how's it going? It's Marv from Everything Beamer back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a spark plug and change on my E93 M3. It hasn't been giving me any issues, but I'm just trying to do preventative maintenance like I always do. Take care of it now so it won't happen later. My boy Justin is with me. You already know what's going on, man. He's on 335 out there. I know you guys seen the last video. The 335 was tuned. They got intercooler installed, and he's loving it, man. That shit sounds amazing from the outside point of view and all. Pops going crazy. This thing's done at least 420 horsepower. Off face, man. Real with you. But enough of that. We already got started. We took this whole, took basically everything off already. Took the air box off. We took this rail off. These rails are 13 millimeter, so you need 13 for both. Take the nuts off. And then this right here, these are cowls. We took the whole cowl off. 8 millimeter for both sides. And this should just come pop right off. Also, you gotta take this fuse off. Make sure when you take the fuse off, you don't like yank it. Yeah, this is very sensitive. It can't pop. Right now, we just took the first spark plug out. I should have recorded it, but kind of late to the party. Spark plug out and also the coil pack, and put a new spark plug in. We have 3 more to go, which leads to 7 more in total. You gotta go on that side too. And as far as that side goes, we took a bolt off from here, and also took off this cowl and the metal bar, so we have a little more access. We will have to take this completely off the coolant tank, but we gotta like make sure there's enough room for getting inside this right here, the cover. So that's that. We're going to our next one. Let's spark plug on, man. Get it. What I have here is a swivel and a 5/8 socket. So the swivel is gonna like help it move wherever you want to. You get this from AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, doesn't matter. Of course, I got a little extension for the swivel so it can fit all right. And you put this thing in here. Down, crack it. Don't crack. Crack, you really just put it in there and just turn it yourself by hand. I mean, they're not terrible, but it's long overdue for me, especially when it's preventative maintenance. That's done. I put a new spark plug in the socket. Ooh, this thing hot, boy. Got a little hot tamale. Here, put the sensor back on. So 2 down, 6 more to go. We got 2 on this side. Came out. That's how it looks. Not that bad. This is a 3rd spark plug, looking pretty rusty. This would need to be changed back. It's burnt out, man. Last one for this side, getting that last spark plug out. This is actually going pretty smoothly. No harsh workout. It's all common knowledge. It's quite easy as hell. Full pack, by the way. Pretty nice. Ain't too serious. Here's the last spark plug. This one will burn out too. The good thing we don't do it now more than later, because you never know. Maybe we might not be able to get it. Now it's time for this side. I'm gonna put my new spark plug on that side first. But as you can see, I started taking off the little cover. We finished the driver's side. The driver's side is done. We're gonna go to the passenger side. We got 4 more, guys. 4 more, we're done. And we changed the whole spark plugs. Job is done. Successful day. My old spark plug just fell. I would have showed you guys, but I took the old spark plug out, put the new one in. I'm about to put the old ignition coil in now. So, where's that sensor? Here. Down. Snug. 3 more to go, guys. 3 more. And this is where it kind of gets tricky, guys, so be aware. These 2 last ones right here are all right here, and they're, I think, on the power steering fluid hose, and that power steering fluid hose is not going to budge. We gotta figure out how to get to these last 2, and then we're done. So for the last pull pack, it's right on the back, and you guys see it. What I had to do, me and Justin, we used 2 flatheads to try to get the sensor out. Once we got the sensor out, we kind of move the coil up to where it's facing in the 12 o'clock position. And we pulled it out, yanked it out with the crowbar and another screwdriver. So it's kind of like a 2 to tango type of move. Now it's really trying to get that spark plug and put a new spark plug in. Like that, guys, we are done. I'm just giving you guys a little information. I did have a misfire only because my first coil is bad. I misfired cylinder 5. So I guess that coil is bad. I'm going to have to replace that coil. But other than that, everything worked out pretty smoothly. And we got it done in like an hour and 30 minutes. It wasn't that hard. It was just the car was hot. So it was just a hot-ass car. And I was trying to put spark plugs in a hot-ass car. Doesn't really work out. But we made it work. And we're all done. These are one of the spark plugs that we had. Just horrible. And the rest are inside here, but you get the gist that all of them were just bad. It was about almost that time for them to go and put new ones on. 2 misfires and 2 cylinders. I already know what it is. The coil packs going out on me. So what we're going to do now is replace those 2 cylinders. I believe they're cylinders 5 and 6, so they're right here on this side. I already got taking on these bolts out here for the air box, and we're gonna lift this up and we're gonna get right back into it. See, cylinder 5 and 6. Got these from online, from Parts Geek, and then my car didn't like them at all, so I just got the stock and factory ones, the actual genuine ones. So it is what it is. All right, so I just replaced coils 5 and 6. I'm about to put the air box back on. Shout out my boy Justin again, sliding through. You know what I'm saying? And that's it for this video. Guys, I am out. Stay tuned for the next video next week. And she's gone. Yeah, I might do it. I got a shawty, she did me wrong, but I might do it.